In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AdsPower browser and set proxy IP. To get started, open your regular web browser. This can be Chrome, Safari, Edge, or whichever browser you normally use to access websites. The reason you begin here is because the setup process starts inside the AdsPower web dashboard, not inside the anti-detect browser window itself. Once your browser is open, go to the official AdsPower Cloud dashboard login page. Make sure you're using the official portal so you're working in the correct environment and accessing the full account controls safely. When the page loads, sign in using your registered account credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken into the dashboard where you can manage account settings, browser profiles, and proxy-related options. If this is your first time here, take a moment to look around so you know where everything is located. Next, find the Proxies tab in the left side navigation panel and click it. This section is where AdsPower lets you manage the proxy connections that can later be attached to browser profiles. Keeping your proxies organized here makes the setup process much easier, especially if you plan to work with multiple profiles. From there, click Add Proxy if you already have proxy details prepared. You can paste them in using the IP, port, username, and password format supported by the platform. Be careful when pasting to make sure the formatting is clean and consistent, since even a small error can prevent the proxy from being added correctly. If you don't already have proxies, you can instead click Buy Proxy to purchase bandwidth directly through the web interface. That gives you a built-in way to acquire proxy resources without leaving the dashboard. One important thing to keep in mind is that while you can assign proxies to browser profiles from the web dashboard, you cannot actually launch the anti-detect browser window from here alone. For that, you'll need a local execution engine installed and running on your device.